Hi there, this is Audrey Blake with another Make It Happen moment, the first of many that you will be receiving in 2014. I am a certified life coach. For those of you who don't know me, I live in Atlanta, Georgia, and I am also the CEO of a company that's based out of Columbus, Ohio, which is known as FLY, Fostering Leadership in You. We help you soar, that is successfully organized to achieve results. So it's 2014 as we are nearing 2014. Today is actually December 30th, 2013. And it's during this time of year that people often become very reflective of their lives and just looking back on their journey, their 2013 journey. 2013 for me personally has been a great year. It was in July that I turned 50 and I have been loving it. But enough about me. Just want to share with you that one of the reasons I'm enthusiastic is just about life. And I encourage you to be the same way. So as you go into 2014 and you look over 13 and say, hey, this is what I did great, this is what I sucked at, I encourage you not to beat up on yourself about those things that didn't quite turn out the way that you'd hope. And I just ask that you will take them as gems to carry with you into 2014, not as bitter baggage, but as a learning tool to help you take it to the next level in 14. One of the things that I encourage you to do, because I personally have stopped making New Year's resolutions years ago, but I do set new goals every year to aspire to and achieve. And one of the reasons that these goals have been achieved and have been successful is because I have used something called SMART goals. When you set your goals, I would say set about 2, no more than 3, just to, it can be in the areas of finance, it can be physical, it could be career-wise, it could be self-improvement, but set no more than about 3 because you don't want to overwhelm yourself with goals. And also it's very important that these goals are SMART goals, that they are specific, they're measurable, they're achievable, they are realistic, and they are time sensitive. Now I have a tool that is available to you. It is a plan, a template that I have designed that will help you set these goals and place these goals into some realistic, time-sensitive, measurable steps, as well as looking at some of the supporting actions and activities that need to accompany your overall goals. I can do that for you. That is one of the packages that is offered through the company, as well as if you need somebody to just help you stay on point and keep that happening, I can do that as well. For more information about that, feel free to visit our company website at Fostering Leaders, that's with an S, fosteringleaders.org. You also can give me a call. I will personally talk to you or my assistant at 770-866-2162. That is 770-866-2162. Well, we want to keep these Make It Happen moments down to about 5 minutes. So the clock is telling me that it is winding down. I do want to tell you about 2 books that I have out. One is called Falling in Love with Me. It's a self-help book primarily for women. And then I have my newest release, which is a novel, Dying to Wake Up. It is an awesome emotional journey about a young woman and her family members as she encounters an illness. And it is full of romance, it is full of suspense, and some surprises. You can be located or acquired by purchase at Amazon.com for only $2.99. I priced it out very at a discount rate so that you can be among the first to have it before the hard copy comes out in 2014 and the movie thereafter. So I encourage you this year, as you're in 2014, to don't just be about it. Normally I say, Don't just talk about it, be about it, and Nike up. But this time I'm saying, don't just be about it, make it happen. This is Audrey Blake, or Audrey B, coming to you again with another Make It Happen moment. And by the way, that novel is written under my pen name of Marcy. So just look for it on Amazon.com. And have a wonderful 2014, and stay away from those dream killers, will you? Make it happen.